In this lesson, you will learn how to get started with windsurf and build your first app in just a couple of minutes with an AI agent. Let's dive in. All right, let's get started with windsurf. All you have to do is go to Google, search up windsurf AI download, and click the button and the link according to your OS. I'm using Mac. All I have to do is click this download button, and I'm pretty much good to go. Once downloading the application, you'll open it up and you'll see something similar to this. This is windsurf. You'll have to log in and authenticate, and then you're ready to get started. Windsurf is a Visual Studio Code fork. So if you've used VS Code, a lot of this will visually look similar, although there's a lot of AI pieces that we're going to explore throughout this course. Because it's a VS Code fork, you could also, throughout installation, import all of your settings from your existing VS Code setup. The main thing to notice about windsurf first is this panel on the right called Cascade. That is our AI collaborative agent, which we'll be using extensively in this course. As you can see, I have a completely empty project to start, and I'm just going to go ahead and ask Cascade to build our first app. If Cascade doesn't show up for you, all you have to use is the keyboard shortcut Command L in order to close and open it. All right, so let's use Cascade to build our first app. In my case, I love the snake game. So I'm just going to go to Cascade and say, create a snake game with JavaScript and HTML. Immediately, you'll see Cascade go out and start taking multiple actions. It'll go out and write multiple files of code in order to complete the task at hand. Cascade is even capable of suggesting terminal commands, so I can even run my application. Great. Seems like everything's ready to go, so I'm going to go to localhost 8000 to check out my game. Well, there we go. The snake game. It exists. Game's over. I can restart it. Cool. But let's make this a little bit more fun, because this is the beauty of working with an AI agent. I'm going to go back to windsurf. As an example modification, let's say I want to change the background color every time a food square is consumed. Something fun. Great, seems like it's done. I'll go back into my Chrome. All right, refresh my Chrome. Let's see if this worked. Well, great, the background color is changing every time I consume a square, exactly like I asked. This is the beauty of working with AI agents. Whatever your creativity is, you can use it to build whatever you want. Let's actually add one more thing. I actually want to make it look more like the classic snake game. Change the food square to be an apple emoji. Great, let's go back to Chrome. Refresh. And just like we wanted it, the apple emoji and the background color is changing. We can keep on doing this forever. Let's keep on making this fun. Let's go back to windsurf, add a little explosion where the food square is consumed every time it is successful. All right, seems like it's done again. Let's go back to Chrome, restart. And there we have it. A particle explosion every single time I consume the apple and the background color changes. How about we just completely start breaking the rules? Let's go back to windsurf and let's make the apple also move. Make the apple into a moving target. Move slower than the snake, of course. All right, seems like it's done again. Another drill, refresh. Oh, and there we see it. You can see the apple is moving slower than the snake does, but still very catchable. Great, so you've just seen me build my own personalized snake game. You should go out there and try building your own. Of course, AI is non-deterministic, so you might get slightly different results, or you might have to change and iterate on a few things, but expand your creativity, see what you can make.